the whole concept here is to show that HalenHardy Spilltration Husky materials were engineered to work in wet weather to clean up oil spills, whereas traditional white materials were not. Now we know that everybody's material should work in dry weather, so we'll start this experiment out showing dry weather conditions. Here's 2 ounces of oil on each side. I'm going to pour it on at the same time, and I'm only going to use about 1 ounce on the old-fashioned materials and about 1 ounce on our materials. Just about right, and just a little bit more over here. And the first thing you'll notice is the HalenHardy material is soaking in, whereas the old-fashioned material is not. And so the oil, if it starts raining, which is what we wanted to prove here, when it starts raining it runs off. Whereas on the HalenHardy Spilltration Husky materials, the water does not wash it away. And so if I come back and pour another ounce from the 2 ounces on each material, wait about 5 seconds, you'll notice that the HalenHardy Spilltration Husky material, it actually goes down through the wet Husky fabric, whereas on this side the rain just washes it away and we have a mess. It breaks through the back. Even though this says, as advertised, it's supposed to hold 8 ounces, at 1 ounce we have complete failure. On the HalenHardy Spilltration Husky material with the poly backing, I can rain on it and rain on it. You can actually see the water running out of it now because it filters through. And you'll notice that the water actually filters through the oil. Give it about 3 or 4 seconds here. And it, at the same time, what little bit of wash off we had was captured in the fibers. The Spilltration Husky polyback material doesn't allow any of the oil to break through the back, and all we have is clean water filtering through.